Welcome to We Learn. This is session first of emerging trends in technological management. In today's session, we are going to cover different topics. Firstly, we will cover an introduction of the technology management, and then we will cover that what is technology, what is management, and what is exactly technological management and its emerging trends basically. Areas of technological development we are going to cover, different issues that are involved in managing the technological innovation, what is technological forecast, stages of innovation of a technology, purpose of technological forecasting, role of forecast in planning, right? So let us cover one by one the whole technological emerging trends in the society that will help us to increase the efficiency and all this. So let us discuss the introduction of the emerging trends in technological management. In the modern age, technology is perhaps the most important resource to any nation. Yeah, it's true. Wealth of a nation basically consists of gold, silver, diamonds, rubies, pearls, and natural resources. Natural resources includes petroleum, cobalt, platinum, chromium, magnesium. They all are very critical for any nation's economical development. Total output of goods and services is the real measure of national wealth. Any business organization to be in competitive environment has to acquire, adopt and manage the appropriate technology required for its operation. किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को अगर हमें कॉम्पिटिटिव लेवल पे लाना है तो वी हैव टू एक्वायर, नॉट ओनली एक्वायर, वी हैव टू अडॉप्ट, नॉट ओनली अडॉप्ट रादर वी हैव टू मैनेज द अप्रोप्रिएट टेक्नोलॉजी फॉर इट्स ऑपरेशन. जो भी डे टू डे बेसिस पे ट्रांजेक्शन्स होती हैं, ऑपरेशनल इश्यूज रिजॉल्व किए जाते हैं, उसको हम टेक्नोलॉजी के ऊपर ला सकते हैं. मीन्स टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज़ करके उन रूटीन टास्क को ऑटोमाइज कर सकते हैं. This will give another dimension to the organization. Technology is a man-made entity. It enhances the physical and mental capability of the people in the organization. टेक्नोलॉजी के आने से किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की मैन पावर का फिजिकल एंड मेंटल कैपेबिलिटी एनहेंस होता है, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इज नॉट गेट वेस्टेड इन द यूजलेस टास्क. People become more productive, more efficient. There could be a proper time management for the same. So technology has given a very due advantages to the people of the organization that has make the entire organization. So technology has to be properly planned, cultivated and developed. Before introducing any sort of technology into the market, into the organization or at an enterprises level, technology need to be properly planned, and while planning, all the components of the organizational working or all the functional parameters should be the part of this, right? It should be cultivated and developed. If the people are not aware of that particular technology, so that technology should be, the people should get training for the same, so that the skills can be cultivated and developed. Even we can see the different examples in our day-to-day life which are exactly representing the new trends or emerging trends in the field of technology. Like we can have tractor, bus, scooter, mobile, bike, and that is called as a solar cooker. So they are basically the examples of, or they are the basically emerging trends in the fields of technology. What is technology? Now next topic that we are going to cover is the technology. Technology is a broad concept that deals with the species, usage and knowledge of the tools and craft, and how it affects the species, that is ability to control and adapt to its environment. Every technology consists of basically a set of tools, and उसको implement करने के लिए you require a particular environment. So technology is a term with origin in the Greek technologia. ग्रीक टर्मिनोलॉजी में उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, क्राफ्ट, एंड लॉजिया मीन्स सेइंग. सो क्राफ्ट सेइंग द ह्यूमन रेस use of technology begin with the conversion of a natural resources into the simple tools. The moment human being get evolved, he started transformation or conversion of natural resources into the simple tools. In general, technology is the relationship that the society has with its tool. किस तरह से सोसाइटी टूल्स को यूटिलाइज करती है, उसको क्राफ्ट किया जाता है for the sake of controlling the environment and all these, that all comes under the technology. Technology is somehow a good thing. Technology is somehow a good thing because it crafts something, or we can apply some sort of skill to make something. And study of applying knowledge give rise to the technology. Technology is also considered the different trends that we are going to cover in the further session. They highly consider that technology is a kind of knowledge that is used in the production, commercialization and distribution of the goods and services. It is also an instrument to transform natural resources into the useful gifts or goods rather. हम किस तरह से डिफरेंट टूल्स टेक्निक्स को या टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज़ करके ट्रांसफॉर्म कर पाते हैं नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज को उस फॉर्मेट में जो हमारी डे टू डे कामों में हेल्प करे या यूज़फुल गुड्स में हम कन्वर्ट कर सकें उसको. दैट इज़ ओनली जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द टेक्नोलॉजी. अ टूल फॉर कंडीशनिंग द एनवायरनमेंट. टेक्नोलॉजी इज़ ए काइंड ऑफ टूल जिसमें हम पूरे एनवायरनमेंट को कंडीशन करते हैं. अ रिसोर्स फॉर क्रिएटिंग मोर वेल्थ. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फाइनेंस आए, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लेवल पे वेल्थ इंक्रीज हो. सो इट कैन ओनली बी डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी बिकॉज नाउअडेज एवरीवेयर यू विल बी एबल टू फाइंड दैट न्यू ट्रेंड्स आर गोइंग टू बी इंट्रोड्यूस. वी आर हैविंग डिफरेंट एग्जाम्पल्स, डिफरेंट ऑप्शन ऑफ डूइंग द सेम थिंग with the help of technology. Mobile is a very good example that has brought about a great influence in the society, right? A factor, technology is what basically, it's a factor which affects the development. Now let us talk about the management, how technology management will affect the entire scenario. So management in business and human organization is simply the act of getting people together to accomplish the desired goals. लोगों के द्वारा लोगों के लिए लोगों का किए जाने वाला काम, मैन पावर in the sense. So management basically comprises planning, organizing, staffing, leading, directing and controlling an organization. So it is an effort for the purpose of accomplishing a goal. एक पर्टिकुलर टारगेट को अचीव करने के लिए जितना भी हम एफर्ट लगाते हैं and this effort should be applied with the help of technology. So a group of one or more people or effort for the purpose of accomplishing a goal. Resources encompassing the deployment and manipulation of human resources. When we talk about the resourcing, it includes deployment or loading and manipulation of the human resources, financial resources, technological resources and even natural resources. So all these resources encompasses or results into the total technological development, right? Emerging trends in technological management or technology is a set of management discipline that allows the organization to manage its technological fundamentals to create competitive advantage. So typical concept that is used in the technological management are technology strategy. Strategy means a logic or a role of technology in the organization. Technology mapping, identification of possible relevant technology for the organization. Technology road mapping, that is a limited set of technologies suitable for business. Technological project portfolio, that is a set of projects under development. And technology portfolio means the set of technology in use. So all these terms we can make use while we studying the different emerging trends in technological management. So technological management is all about the management discipline that allow the organization to manage its technological fundamentals to create competitive advantage. If you want to survive in this particular competitive environment, then you need to do something extra, and that extra can be achieved with the help of technology usage only. Now let us discuss some areas of technological developments. Transistor. Now just have a look on the items or on the things which you think that the technology is there. Computers, example is computers. Transistor, air condition, ACs, refrigeration, refrigerator, farm tractors, rural electrification, robotics, space exploration, nuclear energy, drawing, diagramming. There are lots of fields or lots of areas where technological development can be seen very well. Managing technology means what basically? The use of new technology to gain competitive advantage. The domain of technology is very specific. An engineering person of an organization. Sometimes technology is a problem at the national level because by virtue of its major role as a determinant of a country's economical growth and competitiveness. If a country is having high technological tools, then that country can dominate over all other countries, because now it has become the status symbol. So the virtue of a country can be, in other words we can say, the economical wealth and growth and competitiveness of a country is basically measured in terms of its technological wealth, how much they are competitive. So depending on that, the economical growth of a country can be evaluated. Now there are lots of issues in managing the technological innovation. बहुत सारे इश्यूज आते हैं जब हम टेक्नोलॉजी मैनेजमेंट के ऊपर या इमर्जिंग ट्रेंड्स इन टेक्नोलॉजिकल मैनेजमेंट के ऊपर बात करते हैं. तो फर्स्ट वन इज इनोवेशन. व्हाट इज इनोवेशन? Innovation and creativity, these are two words which some people think that they are the same thing, but no, it's not the same thing, rather it's a different thing. Innovation focus on to the generation of new ideas, that is also called as a creativity. Not only this, rather it also focusing on to the extracting one idea and implementing the same. That is basically called as a innovation. So innovation plays a very prominent role because it provides you the many option of doing the same thing. So to bring the innovation, we must be develop such an environment so that people start thinking like an innovator. So these are the sort of issues that we are facing in managing the technology. New ventures is the another issues. Corporate research, we need to search for the corporates when we want to apply the innovation in a different manner, because innovation can be grasped, can be implemented when you see the other people are doing the same thing with different approach, right? R&D infrastructure. R&D infrastructure in the sense research and development के regarding we have to build up such an infrastructure so that people should start taking initiative to bring about the innovation. So information technology is basically an example of a technology which has already proven disruptive, whereas artificial intelligence is a subset of IT with the potential of becoming the disruptive in its own right. Right, you got the difference between information, this one information technology and artificial intelligence, right? So information technology highly focus on to the proven disruptive areas, whereas artificial intelligence is a subset of IT with the potential of becoming disruptive in its own right. Right, what is technological forecast? The next topic of today's session is technological forecast. That is the emerging trends in this particular area. It is a prediction of the future characteristics of useful machine, products, process, procedures और टेक्निक, जिसमें हम कुछ प्रेडिक्शन करते हैं. टेक्नोलॉजिकल फोरकास्ट में वी अप्लाई सम सॉर्ट ऑफ प्रेडिक्शन अबाउट द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ मशीन, चाहे वो उसके प्रोडक्ट से रिलेटेड हैं और किसकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक की हम बात कर रहे हैं, किसी पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट की, प्रोसेस की, प्रोसीजर्स की और टेक्निक्स के. द सीकिंग ऑफ और एंटिसिपेशन ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजिकल इनोवेशन हैज़ बीन कॉल्ड टेक्नोलॉजिकल फोरकास्टिंग. व्हेन वी सीक for a innovative technological advancement for the betterment, it could be called as a technological forecast, जिसमें हम anticipate करते हैं basically what could happen in the near future. That is all about the technological forecast. And if we are predicting the future that can happen in the near future with respect to the technology, it becomes technological forecasting. Recognizing the importance of forecasting in the technological planning process. Here we are focusing on to the recognition part, in which forecasting with respect to the technological planning process is being applied. The Government of India has established a Technical Information Forecasting and Assessment Council, that is TIFAC, means Technological Information Forecasting Assessment Council, under the Ministry of Science and Technology to promote action oriented studies. They are highly focused on to the action part, involvement part, better transparency and forecasting in the selected area. The forecasts serve as an input to the process of making plans and decision. किसी भी पार्ट के रिगार्डिंग आपको कुछ प्लानिंग करनी है, डिसीजंस लेने हैं, तो उसमें फोरकास्टिंग क्या करेगी, एक इनपुट का काम करेगी. राइट. सो नेक्स्ट लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट सम स्टेजेस ऑफ इनोवेशन ऑफ ए टेक्नोलॉजी. सो बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन फाइंडिंग्स इज द फर्स्ट स्टेज ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन इनोवेशन टेक्नोलॉजिकल डेवलपमेंट. लेबॉर्ट्री वर्केबल मॉडल होना चाहिए, ऑपरेटिंग प्रोटोटाइप, पायलट प्लांट, कमर्शियल इंट्रोडक्शन, वाइड स्प्रेड एडॉप्शन, डिफ्यूजन टू अदर एरियाज, सोशल एंड इकोनॉमिकल इम्पैक्ट. दे आर द स्टेजेस ऑफ इनोवेशन टू ब्रिंग अबाउट द इनोवेशन. ठीक है. सो इसमें हम इनोवेशन लाने के लिए इनोवेशन स्टेजेस ऑफ इनोवेशन ऑफ ए टेक्नोलॉजी पासिस थ्रू दीज फेजेस. पहले हम फाइंडिंग्स निकालते हैं, फिर उसका एक वर्किंग मॉडल बनाते हैं, फिर उसका एक प्रोटोटाइप डेवलप किया जाता है, उसको कमर्शलाइज किया जाता है, फिर उसके रिगार्डिंग कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं, उसके रिगार्डिंग हम अडेप्ट करते हैं, देन डिफ्यूज़ द अदर्स सोशल एंड इकोनॉमिकल इम्पैक्ट. तो किसी भी टेक्नोलॉजी के मार्केट में आने के लिए ये सारे सीक्वेंशियल स्टेप्स हमें फॉलो करने होते हैं. दैट इज़ एन सिग्नल of innovation of a technology. Now let us discuss the purpose of technology. Scanning the technological environment is the first most purpose of technology. पूरे environment को scan करना, कहाँ कहाँ पर हमारे टेक्नोलॉजिकल टूल्स एंड टेक्निक यूज़ किए जा रहे हैं. दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट पर्पस ऑफ अप्लाइंग टेक्नोलॉजिकल फोरकास्टिंग. एंटिसिपेटिंग इमर्जिंग टेक्नोलॉजिकल चेंजेस. क्या नियर फ्यूचर में टेक्नोलॉजिकल चेंजेस इमर्ज हो सकते हैं, उनको एंटिसिपेट करना. दिस इज़ द अनदर पर्पस ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजिकल फोरकास्टिंग. आइडेंटिफाइंग सुटेबल टेक्नोलॉजीज बाय इवेल्युएटिंग वेरियस ऑल्टरनेटिव्स. सो हम बहुत सारे जो ऑल्टरनेटिव्स को इवेल्यूएट करते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज अ आइडेंटिफाइंग सुटेबल टेक्नोलॉजीज. प्लानिंग फॉर टेक्नोलॉजीज फॉर फ्यूचर नीड्स. फोरकास्टिंग का एक अनदर एडवांटेज क्या है, इट हेल्प्स यू इन द प्लानिंग कि नियर फ्यूचर में हमारी टेक्नोलॉजिकल नीड्स क्या हो सकती हैं, उनको सेटिस्फाइड करने के रिगार्डिंग वी कैन मेक यूज़ ऑफ द डेटा ऑफ द फोरकास्टिंग. Right, so there are different roles of the technology which we can apply in the different areas of the organization working. Right, with this we are going to finish this session. Thank you. But before ending, I am giving you 2 questions for the same. First one is, define the purpose of technological forecasting. You have to write the 10 points for the same, right? And next is, what are the different stages of innovation of a technology. ये हमें आपने दोनों क्वेश्चंस अटैम्प्ट करने हैं, and you have to give the 10 points for the same, right? Now with this we are going to finish our session. Thank you.